Hi! Today we're going to talk about eyeshadows. Okay, there are so many eyeshadow palettes in the market. A lot of you on my DMs.
Mars, which eyeshadow palette to buy? Mars, how many brushes do I pick? Mars, which are the best eyeshadow brushes? Mars, which eyeshadow to begin with? Mars, which color scheme to pick? Mars, I'm getting late for my date. I don't have time for 15,000 eyeshadows.
Everybody chill. I got you. Mama's here. My advice would be pick a neutral palette. When you go for a simple neutral palette like this, it's easier to get a look. I'm going to show you the easiest eyeshadow look ever. You will only need two brushes. One is floofy and the other one is small. By the way, one of my favorite palettes of all time is the Huda Beauty Nude Mediums palette. So your first eyeshadow color will always be matte and light. In this case, I'm going to pick this and this. Yes, you can pick two eyeshadows at one time. Tap, tap, tap. Just take the floofy brush, go all over your eye. Mostly stay in the outer corner, like that. Same thing here. I'm staying in the outer corner. Don't forget to blend. This is going to be your quickest eyeshadow application yet. Your second eyeshadow will be on the lid. Now this could be either matte or glitter. Totally depends on you. I'm going to go with glitter. I'm going to pick the rose gold color right here. I'm going to use my finger to apply this shadow. You will place it directly on the lid. Same thing on the other eye. And there you have it. There you go. It looks like I've put in hours and hours of work on this beautiful bronzy smoky eye. But I really didn't. Pick up the floofy brush and make sure you are just blending everything together. Remember this tiny baby brush? That's going to be used for our lower lash line. You're going to take the same color you took for your crease and apply it at the bottom. You can connect it to the upper shadow and we're done. It's that simple. You don't need a 15,000 pan eyeshadow. All you need is a good quality eyeshadow palette from a good brand. Trust me, it makes a difference. And eyeshadow palettes are like forever. Once you buy them, you can use them for a long time. Don't forget to add some mascara. And there you have it. A simple 3-step copper eyeshadow look. And this will take you under 5 minutes.